Before we continue, I would love to clear out a fact. Like, I would love to separate two things and like sieve it out. HTML is not a programming language, it is a markup language. There's a very big difference. A markup language used to structure a page. It's just like XAML, XML, then HTML. You need to understand that HTML is not a programming language. CSS is not a programming language. So now we move on. Now this is where we stopped last time. Yeah. So yeah, we'll be looking at this now. This is our package. So we'll be talking about components now. Yeah, we're talking about components. So open up your app.js and then you see this is a component. What is a component? To me, I say a component is a function or a class that returns HTML. Now, this is a function component. Now, what I love to do is that I love to change my function component to a class component because of what they call it, because of maybe I'm doing Redux or something else like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the whole of this, cut it out. I'm going to say class app extend react dot component. Then I'm going to call my constructor. So constructor super. Yeah, this super actually calls everything in a constructor out. So I'm going to say render, which renders the HTML, then pasting my return. You need to understand that. So now, what like if you have done Java or C Sharp, you know what a constructor is, or TypeScript, where they introduce OOP to JavaScript. So let me explain what a constructor is. A constructor is like, should I say, a function that is immediately called when a class is being called. Like when you call a class, a constructor is immediately called. It is used to initialize value when you instantiate a class. So that's just what it is. So what we are going to do is that we are going to create, I'm going to show you what this component does. We are going to create a state. There's something called state in React which is used to hold a value, which hold values. Sorry. Yeah, forgive my intonation. States are used to hold values. So I'm going to say state. Let me just say name. I'm going to say name is code continue. Yeah, code continue YouTube channel. Yeah, that's the name of my channel. Yeah, yeah. I, your state can be in form of an object, can be in form of an array, anything you want to use it as. So it is actually a dynamic object. Is that a thing? Yeah, it's a thing in C sharp. Sorry, forgive me. I'm coming from a C sharp background to a JavaScript background, but along the line, I'll have other tutorials on C sharp, Node.js, and React Native. So I'm a full-time JavaScript developer now. And the truth is, I hated JavaScript. And then it was too complex. Then I felt that the functions. I started learning Ajax and XML, HTTP response, all those kind of long functions getting me all confused. So I didn't know what to do. So I hated JavaScript. But now, okay, I love JavaScript a lot. So yeah, I love JavaScript. So what we're going to do now is that we're going to create a button. That's why I say you need to know HTML. We're going to say change. Now the text here is going to be our state. Yeah, I'm going to say this dot state dot name. Yeah, so that's just what we're going to do. So let's check that out. Yeah, so you see code continue YouTube channel, which is our state already, so you understand that's our state. Yeah, so what we're going to do now is that we are going to make this button clickable. When you click, it's going to change the state. Yeah, it's going to change the state. So we're going to use the onClick function. Yep, onClick function. I can actually write the function outside of this thing, but since I'm going to use an arrow function, but sorry, I can actually write a function outside of this, but since I don't want to do much, so I'm just going to put the function inside this. I'm going to use an arrow function, which immediately say this dot set state. So I'm using set state. I'm going to say name. I'm going to say checks gpfr. Oh no. I'm going to say checks gpfr YouTube channel. See that? That's exactly what I'm going to do. So I'm going to click. Says checks gpfr YouTube channel. So that's how far we are going to go on this tutorial on component. So you should work on it then. We'll continue in our next tutorial. Thank you for watching Code Continue. Click the like button if you enjoyed the video. I'll be watching down in the comments. If you have any question you can ask, I'll respond to your questions in the next tutorial. Share the tutorial and subscribe to this channel and invite your friends to subscribe. It doesn't cost you much. You just click on that red button, the subscribe button, the one that has the subscribe.